Ever wondered if ChatGPT actually has a brain? Or is it just really good at guessing what you're about to say? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on how AI actually works and the game-changing tech called RAG. Don't worry if you aren't a tech genius. By the end of this, you'll understand it better than most. Part 1. The predictive brain of an LLM. At its core, a large language model, or LLM, is basically a super advanced version of your phone's autocomplete. It works through something called next token prediction. Imagine I say, the cat sat on the... The AI isn't thinking in the human sense. It's calculating probabilities based on huge amounts of data it was trained on. If it's trained well, it feels like you're talking to a genius. But if you click regenerate, it might just pick the second best probability, like floor instead of mat. Part 2. The frozen in time problem. Here's the catch. LLMs are trained on a snapshot of the world. If an AI was trained in 2023, it has no idea who won a cricket match in 2024. It's like a brilliant student who stopped reading the news a year ago. Plus, it doesn't know your private info. If you ask, how many rooms are in my house, it'll be clueless because that data wasn't in its training. This is where Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, saves the day. Part 3. What is RAG? The open book exam. Think of standard AI as a closed book exam. It only knows what it memorized. RAG makes it an open book exam. Instead of guessing, the system looks for the right book or page in a specific database, hands that info to the AI, and says, here, use this to answer the question. Part 4. The 4-step magic of RAG. So how does it actually happen? It's a simple 4-step dance. Query, you ask a question, like, how many kitchens are in my house? Retrieval, the system searches a specific knowledge base, like your house blueprints, and ignores everything else, like your school grades. Augmentation, it combines your question with that retrieved info into one big prompt. Generation, the AI reads that prompt and gives you a perfect, accurate answer because it now has the context it needs. Part 5. Why not just give the AI my whole database at once? Well, every AI has a context window, a limit on how much it can remember in one go. Think of it like a desk. If you pile 1,000 books on a small desk, things fall off. GPT-4, for example, can handle about 128,000 tokens, roughly 400 pages. That sounds like a lot, but for a massive company database, it's nothing. Also, more data equals more cost. We want our prompts to be relevant and efficient to keep things affordable. Part 6. Real-world superpowers. We're already seeing RAG everywhere. Google Search, it retrieves the latest news to answer your current event questions. Coding tools, like Cursor AI, which looks at your specific files to help you code. Marketing, tools like Omnisense use RAG to grab your brand logos and product info to write personalized emails for your customers. Legal, tools like Harvey AI help lawyers find specific laws in seconds. RAG makes AI smarter, more accurate, and way more useful without the massive cost of retraining the whole model. It's the difference between a smart guess and a factual answer. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. What's an AI tool you use that feels like it has open book powers? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.